Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Wednesday, the 18th of September. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened yesterday, and the only data release came from Australia, where we saw locally the policy meeting minutes. Now, the theme of those minutes were pretty much the same as the last, and there is still sufficient evidence revealed in those minutes for another rate cut in 2019. Westpac analysts believe that there could be another one in November, and they're still predicting for another one in Feb of next year. So, key things that they want to look at, unemployment rates. That's going to be a key indicator for them. But let's see if next month they do in fact cut those rates again. That was pretty much all that came out yesterday, so time to move on to our chart of the day. Yesterday's GBP NZD did not trigger. The candle continued to move in the opposite direction, so we did not get that formation inside candle confirmation that we were looking for. Not to worry. I did have a look at we had an Aussie yen trade from earlier in the week. That triggered for me and that completed. So that was, we hit the 1-to-1 ratio on that one. So that was a winning trade for those who took that one. Well done. And we move on. What I have found for us this morning is the Aussie New Zealand on a daily timescale. Now I'm showing you here a line of resistance. The market has come up to this level on 3 occasions, once, twice, and we are there again now for a third time. We have already produced an inside candle or a price action reversal pattern, should I say, and I've highlighted there for us in yellow. So should we break the low of that red candle that I'm pointing at right now, well then that is our trigger. So our pending orders are set, they are in the market. If we break down, we're in the trade. If we do not break down and we continue to go up and we break the high side of that red candle, well then we need to go back and cancel that pending order, as it would not be a valid trade. So this morning, Aussie Kiwi on a daily timescale is our chart of the day with our pending orders set in the market, and we're waiting for trigger. Alright, what's coming up in the session which is about to kick off? It's actually a very busy session, or more particularly overnight, but we'll start off at 6:30 this evening from the UK. We have CPI numbers due. 10:30 from Canada, CPI numbers from Canada, and then at 12:30 we have the crude oil inventories just after midnight, and the big announcement is at 4 o'clock in the morning while we sleep, or in the US. It's the FOMC statement, their interest rate decision, and their economic projections. Now, it is strongly predicted that they will cut interest rates tonight. This will be a volatile moment in time for the currency market, so please be aware of that. If we're holding in positions overnight, when we wake up, we may wake up to a surprise. And at 4:30, basically, they give us the FOMC, the press conference of what took place half an hour earlier. That pretty much wraps up the session. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow for the Daily Call. Bye for now.